program is proudly brought to you by Saviour's Alien First Predator. Out now. The Australian television landscape changed forever.
We proudly became the first commercial television station to launch in almost 50 years.
A year on, we celebrate with our biggest month ever.
We'll awaken the giants of the AFL.
The Cup final and season 2010 explode in all its glory.
The Australian Swimming Championship.
The pride of our country, all fighting representative of the games in India.
Ultimate Fighting Championship.
Every Thursday night, one beer of each just live and exclusive to one.
IPL.
The stars of the cricket cosmos collide. Every match exclusive to one.
The ANZ Championship.
The hottest venue south.